All right, I am shutting down my current, I'm hoping you guys can see this. I'm shutting down my Zoom meeting that I just had with my students by clicking end. I was recording the whole time, and I am hoping that you guys can see my screen. It says converting meeting recording. It's only at 1%. I'm going to let it run through up to 100%. I'm praying that you can see this. I'm going to pause my recording until that it has converted. Okay, so mine just finished converting, and now this pops up for me. Janie Snavely said this does not pop up for her, so that kind of stinks. But like after, you can tell it where to record to. So if you wanted to record it to like your Google Drive, and maybe you wanted to like save it to, you know, your Algebra 2 class and wherever, or maybe you just have a folder in general called, I wonder if I could do that real quick. Maybe you guys have a folder that you make and you just call it like Zoom meetings, and you just wanted to have it in your Google Drive, or maybe you want to have Zoom meeting Algebra 2. Then when you hit OK, if you click that folder, it should go to that folder. So if I now open if I now open like my files and I go to my Google Drive and I go to that folder I just made down here, that Zoom meeting, you'll see that it's in here. Now the audio and the playback I think are useless because really you just want this MP4. And in a perfect world, you could just share the link to that Google Drive folder on your Schoology page, and you'll never even have that extra step of uploading. And I can do that real quick if anybody cares to see it. So like you could have, you go to your Drive, and you would find that folder you made. I called it Zoom Meeting Algebra 2, I think. And right-click, share, and you would have to probably restrict it to people in the Southside Area School District. Maybe that would be safe. Copy your link, go to your Schoology, and then you could have like a folder here just called like all Zoom meetings. And you could put that obviously anywhere on your Schoology. And inside of it, you could add that link that we just made. Paste it in there, and you can just say like, click for meetings. Have it open outside, probably of Schoology might be safest. And then when kids click on this, it's going to take them to your Google Drive, and they'll see your recording there. Now, if you want to change it, like change the name of it, you could say like, this was my block for recording. But then the nice part about it is you never have to upload or anything. It just saves to your Google Drive, and your kids can just click here and they'll see them. I hope that was helpful.